Meta ads quietly run the internet. Instagram, Facebook, even WhatsApp. Miss this platform and reach gets expensive fast. Meta ads work differently from search ads, not about what people type, about who they are. Age, interests, location, behavior, all connected inside one system. That system is Meta Ads Manager. The real advantage lives in the algorithm. Every ad enters a learning phase. Around 50 actions teach Meta who responds best. Performance feels messy at first. That's normal. Ads compete in a live auction. Budget matters. Quality matters more. Even small budgets can win with strong relevance. Yes, Meta ads still work in 2026. Returns depend on strategy, creatives, offers, landing pages, and constant testing. The first goal isn't massive traffic. It's learning what actually works. Everything starts inside a Meta business portfolio. This is the control room. Pages, accounts, payments, all in one place. After setup, ads follow a simple structure. Campaign, ad set, ad. The campaign sets the goal. Awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, sales, app installs. The ad set defines the audience. Location, age, gender, language, interests, behaviors. The ad is what people see. Visuals, words, action. Beginners win faster with traffic or engagement. Simple goals, clear feedback, lower risk. Audience targeting decides everything. Wrong audience kills great ads. Right audience forgives average ones. Start broad, 1 or 2 strong interests. Let the algorithm work. Over-targeting shrinks reach and raises costs. Some industries need special ad categories: finance, housing, jobs, politics. Compliance limits targeting for fairness. Budget doesn't need to be big. Daily budgets give control. Lifetime budgets give structure. Always double-check time zones. Placements matter less than expected. Advantage plus placements usually win. Automation beats micromanagement early on. Creatives decide success. Attention lasts seconds. Hooks matter. Clean visuals matter. Real-looking content matters. One problem, one solution. No clutter. Primary text delivers the message. Headline delivers the benefit. Description supports the decision. Call to action tells what happens next. Publish the ad. Then watch the data. Cost per result shows efficiency. Frequency shows fatigue. Reach and impressions show scale. CTR shows relevance. Video metrics reveal attention. Weak openings fail fast. Strong first seconds carry everything. Testing never stops. Learning never stops. Optimization compounds. That's how Meta ads actually grow.